Thank you very much for all the suggestions that you posted to the video that I posted a few days ago about the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Pro X that turned into a brick for an unknown reason. I have tried a bunch of the suggested solutions, and in this video I'm going to show you what is happening when trying out these things and the conclusions on how to move forward.
While pressing it, nothing happens. While holding it down, nothing happens.
It was incredibly easy to get the lid off. 5 Torx T5 screws, and I didn't even need to pry it open to get in there. So let's take a look at what happens when we unplug the battery here. That was also very easily done. The battery is now unplugged from the motherboard. When I did that, the button, the lit up button there, finally stopped being lit up. So something happened with it at least. I have now let laptop sit without the battery plugged in for about 30 minutes to see if this would reset it somehow. So I'm going to plug the power cable in, and then we'll see if there is any success in trying to start it. Nope, nothing is happening. Then, according to a video that someone sent me, if I would press the button now, it would reset some kind of memory, and then maybe it would be possible to start it up after pressing the power button for a while. I have pressed and held the power button, so let's try out with the charger, but without the battery plugged in. It's flashing now, so it's acting in a very different way compared to what it did before. Let's give it some time and see how it behaves. Nope, nothing is happening, so I'm going to plug the battery in, put the lid back on, and we are back to square one pretty much. I packed it up and I am off to send the laptop back for repairs. I have now left the package at the retailer where I bought the laptop, and we will see what they come back with. They said that the service time is roughly 2 to 3 weeks for Lenovo laptops, so I'm just going to give it some time and then see what the next step in this process is. Have a really nice day, and then I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.